Hello everyone, my name is Sahan Dikshit and I am presenting my project on the behalf of my group members Saurabh Rawat and Vishal. Our group ID is 2016 CICPID 12. We are presenting the project under the supervision of Ms. Divya Rastogi and the title of our project is Warehouse on Lease. This is the technology stack we have used to develop our project: HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery for the front end, PHP and MySQL for the backend. Our objective of the project is to develop a platform through which farmers can easily rent the warehouses for storing the yielding within a favorable prices. Nowadays in India, farmers suffers from huge amount of loss as they are unable to sell their crops at right prices. This is due to unfavorable conditions of the market or their product decays before they can sell it in the market. At all India level, about 44% of fruits and vegetables of total amount is decayed and cannot be sold. And one of the primary causes of which are poor storages and warehouses. Proper warehousing not only helps in storing product but also can decrease the transportation prices if near the market. By using this product, we are trying to solve a problem where farmers don't have to sell the crops they have yielded uh, under the unfavorable market conditions, which also helps in solving the problems of hunger and insufficiency. As in the application, we are providing a platform to farmers so that he or she can buy a warehouse in favorable price according to their need. This is the workflow diagram of our project. Uh, when we open our application, there is a homepage where we can see owner's login and rentals login. In owner's login, there will be an option of sign up and login. And after successful authentication of the owner, he or she will have three services: add property, view request, and view property. In add request, he or she have to add the location of the property, space available, and price per square foot. And in view request, uh, the owner have to respond accordingly to the request of the renter. And in view property, he or she can see the property that has been rented by himself or herself. In renter's login, after the successful authentication, he or she can see the property available and then select the desired property. And after selecting the desired property, he or she will have to submit the request and that query will be submitted to the owner. This is a use case diagram in which we have shown the access to the services which can be provided to the separate user. If the user is owner, he or she can have login sign up, add property, and view request. If the user is renter, then he or she can have access to login sign up and select the desired property, and admin can have access to all the services. Now, this is the module diagram of the owner panel. The purpose of the owner panel is that that the owner can provide and can add the property so that it can be rented by renter, and owner can also view property that he or she has rented. In this diagram, we have shown that owner will have to first register himself on the portal, and that registration will be stored on owner database. And after successful registration, he or she can access his account by entering the phone number and the password he entered uh, during the process of registration. After that, uh, on the main dashboard of the owner login, she will have three services: add property, where he or she can add property, and then view request, where the request from renter will be sent, and then he, then the owner can respond accordingly, and the property that he has rented can also be viewed by the owner. This is the module diagram of the rental panel. The purpose of rental panel is that the farmer can uh, see the available properties and select the desired property which is his uh, his uh, near his near his farm and near the market. In this diagram, we have shown that renter also have to register himself, and that registration will be stored in renter database, and authentication can be done by phone number and password he or she entered while registering. Then after that, he or she can the renter can see the available properties and then select the desired property according to his or her needs, and then request for the property. and then the owner contact details will be shared with the renter. Now I will show you the working of our project. I've used XAMPP server for hosting the project on local server. Now this is the main homepage of our application. Now this is the owner login. We will create a new account demo. Now the sign up is successfully done. We can log in. After successful login, this is the main dashboard of the owner. Now owner can add property here. 1000. We are going to add Aligarh. Now the property has been uploaded successfully. Now we will return to renter and we will create a new account here too. Sign up successfully done, and then we are going to log in. Now this is the main dashboard of the rental panel. These are some of the properties that has been recently added for sale. Here we can see that this is the property that we just added, and this is the demo data we used for checking our website. Now we are going to search warehouse. This is the web property that we just added. We are going to request 500 amount of area. Now the requirement has been sent to the owner. Now sign out. We are going to sign in here. Now this is the request. The contact details of the renter has been shared to the owner. Now owner can contact renter the amount of area that he or she have requested. Now if we accept that and see the manage property section, we can see that now owner have rented this amount of area to the renter whose contact details are these. Now I am going to show you a database where all data gets stored. This is for admin. These are the login details for owner. These are the properties that has been added. This is the property that we just added. These are the property requests that are still pending. These are the renter login details, and these are the renter. These are the drop properties which has been released by renter, by owner. Now this is our research paper that we published in Journal of Xi'an's University of Architecture and Technology. In this, we have written abstract that why are we creating this project, the introduction that why this project is important, the proposed system that what is the system that we proposed, the design of our proposed system, the UI design that how we are going to design our UI, the database design, the system design. In system design, there is owner panel and rental panel. The authentication and security section, where how is authentication is going to take place and what are the security that we are providing, the future scope, and the conclusion. Now, the advantages of this project is that after the successful deployment of this project, the farmer will have greater control in planning over harvest and transport. It will also help in improve the quality of grains, and farmer will be able to have greater profit. And as we told above, that 44% of the crop is wasted. So after if every farmer gets a proper warehouse, then that 44% can be reduced, and uh, that amount of crop can be used to feed the needy one. Now, these are the references that motivated us to develop our project. And in the end, I would like to thank my mentor, Miss Divya Rastogi, and all the CSE faculty who helped me in building this project. Uh, Thank you, everyone.